meter natin, and then yung trip. Then it says no error. Okay, so moving on to the infotainment system. Ayan. So for the infotainment system, so this is actually 10 inches. So touchscreen. Siguro masasuggest ko lang is syempre always wipe it with a microfiber cloth para parating shiny siya, hindi mo lang mga smudges ng ng fingers ninyo. So right now I'm using the quad view, and then meron tayong controls dito. So this is actually like a mouse, parang ito yung nagmo-move natin para siyang cursor type. So if na-click mo siya ng up, down, left, right, and then pwede mo siyang i-press for choosing. So this one is to go back. This one is for the audio settings. This one would be for playing music, and this one for the home button. So if I press this 3 in 3 seconds, ayan, so babalik tayo doon sa single view. So there. Now, with this one, pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Ayan. So, if I drag it here, pwede siyang mag-quad view. So, depende kung saan ko siya gusto pumunta. So, there. So, by just dragging. So, for the aircon, ayan, here are the options. So, on, off. Ima-max mo yung aircon mo. We have air vents here. Ayan, AC. Ayan, on, syempre, for turning on and off. So, ima-max mo din yung AC mo, temperature. So, there, ito naman, yung air would be coming from the outside, and this one is an option para maging malinis yung air mo. So, it has, I think it says there, may ion particles that cleans the air. So, I'm not so sure about that. If I'm wrong, just comment down below. And then we have this special feature na I really like, because yung front seats natin, passenger and driver, merong heating and cooling function. So you'll see here, if you press this once, dun depende yung lakas ng hangin. So if I click on this 3 times, mag-shade tong pangatlong button. So ibig sabihin, mas malakas yung hangin na mainit, and this one is for the cold air. Okay. So this one is to adjust the fan speed, and then this one is to adjust the temperature. So ang controls ng aircon nandito. So it really depends siguro kung gaano ka kabilis mag-adapt, kasi ito wala yung mga toggles. But for this one, we have switches here. Ito basically on off ng aircon, pati itong auto, so yung auto settings. And then we have the hazard. And then yung defogger natin, ayan. So there. So let's go to the next window. Ito naman sa music. So we have the basic play, rewind and forward, and then we have the settings. So this is basically setting up your phone or any Bluetooth device para mag-connect siya dito. So right now I already registered my phones. So ayan, so just press back, and then device connection. Yan, may kita mo lang siya ulit. And then for the edit device name, you can always change the name kung ano yung gusto mo, para whenever you search for the Bluetooth of this vehicle, yun yung lalabas. So this one, I just named yung Bluetooth ko for the car, Ford Territory, para mabilis ko siyang ma-search. So there. Now, going back, so balik natin dito. Ayan, we have the music settings. So ayan, so speed sensitivity yung volume natin, loudness, you can adjust the bass, mid and treble. Oops, nagalaw ko yung Yan, basically ang balance ko kasi medyo nasa rear ng konti. So there. And then go back. This one is the source. So kung radio ba, or let's go back. If USB, Bluetooth, or Android Auto. So we have Apple CarPlay din. So for Android Auto, kailangan nakakonect ka sa cable. So meron tayong cable dito, as you can see there. This one is for data, and this one is basically for charging. So pag naglagay ka ng data cable dito, para mapagana yung Android Auto. So there. So let's go back again. Next would be the phone settings. So ito naman. So basic setup, para ka lang nagsisetup din sa cellphone. So may call history, dial number, phone book, SMS, Bluetooth connection, phone settings. Ayan, so adjust phone volume, incoming call number, so kung ipapakita niya, and then if you will sync the call history. So let's move to the next one. Apple CarPlay, sorry, wala kasi akong Apple device. Pang Android lang tayo. And then ito yung Bluetooth settings kanina. So I already showed you that one. Okay, so what I'll do, and for the music again, ito yung nakita nyo na pareho kanina with the same icon picture. In this one, icon image pala. Yan. So I'll press this again para mag quad view, and then I'll show you itong tools natin. So we have the settings here para naman to sa vehicle na mismo. So we have the vehicle settings. Ayan, so actually naka-disable siya because the car isn't on. So pag try natin i-on, ayan, so I turned on the engine. So body settings, ayan, you can see a lot of features here na you can play around or you can explore on your own. So merong follow home, courtesy lamp, so may delay siya kung mag-on siya or hindi. We have the room lamp, energy saving for 15 minutes, rear defroster, power fold, auto, ako naka-auto yan sa side mirrors. So, and then we have the speed lock. Ayan, and then we have auto window, smart lock, and wireless charge. Smart lock, ito yung pag lumalapit ka and lumalayo ka, yung nag-auto lock siya. So wireless charging, this one I use all the time. So you have to turn this on para gumana yung wireless charging, and then you place your phone dito. So syempre, yung phone mo dapat meron siyang capability for wireless charging. So basically yan, yung mga S series for Android, for Samsung yung mga S series, Note, yan meron. I'm pretty much sure na merong wireless charging function yan. So let me know in the comments ano ba bang phone ng merong wireless charging. So ambient lighting setting. So ito naman, this is actually during at night. Siguro mapapansin nyo dun sa unang video ko about Ford Territory, pinakita ko to sa end ng video. So ayan, you can choose to turn on the ambient lighting and then the brightness kung gaano siya kaliwanag, and then color settings. So you just press on this one, then automatically lalabas yung ilaw dito. Yan, so magcha-change siya ng color. So there. Vehicle safety settings, ayan. So ito, since marami kasing sensors yung sasakyan, there's a tendency na parati siyang nagbi-beep. So ito yung mga safety options na pwede mong i-on or off, but me highly recommended you keep these on because this will help you. And yun naman talaga yung point ng pagkakaroon niya ng mga ganitong klaseng warning functions is for you to have a safer drive. So collision warning, sensitivity settings, emergency braking, naka-on, blind spot detection prompt, and then blind spot detection prompt sound. Now, this one, you can turn this off or on by using this button. So if you're the type of person na safe din naman kayo mag-drive, but you don't want to hear yung continuous beeping sound, ito siya. You can press this one. There. Vehicle information basically gives out the data of your vehicle. So nandito rin yan sa instrument cluster. So there. And then moving on, itong control bay natin. Ayan, we have the parking. This means auto park. And sorry, pag naka-drive ka and then nag-stop yung car mo, 'di ba usually pag automatic yung vehicle, pag ni-release mo yung brakes, umaandar ng konti. So with this function, pag nag-brake ako during traffic, hindi aandar yung sasakyan when I release the brake. So para siyang handbrake, parang ganyan. Now if I step on the gas, automatically magdi-disengage siya. So aandar na siya. So every time magsa-stop ka, automatically mag-handbrake siya. So ito siya, auto park. And then we have the sport mode. And then we have the park assist. So ito, another video na lang, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano to gumagana. Pero syempre mas gusto ko pa rin ako yung nagpa-park mag-isa. This one is for the lane assist. Yan, pag lumalabas ka na ng lane, ipa-prompt ka din yan. So see you guys again. I hope you learned a lot of things from this tutorial. If ever may mali ako nasabi or if there's a misrepresentation whatsoever with the functions, please let me know. Again, I'm not an expert when it comes to this car because this has only been with me for 2 months now, but I'm quickly adapting to the functions. So comment down below if may mali, correct natin, and I'll be thankful at least naturuan nyo ako because I'm sure mas marami pang users ang nagkaroon ng Ford Territory like last year power. I'm sure mas alam nila yung yung parts, pero this one I hope it helps them, other users or other owners of the Ford Territory. So I'll see you guys. Bye, peace and love.